In this video, I will show you how to enable Steam Overlay. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you're going to want to do first is open up Steam, and once you've got it opened, come up to the top left hand corner, click onto Steam up here. And on this menu that comes up, come and click onto settings. Now once you've got your settings window opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and what you want to do is click onto in-game just down here, and this way you can come to enable the Steam overlay. So you want to come here first, make sure this is turned on. You can see here it says enable the Steam overlay whilst in game. Make sure that switch is turned on, and then all you need to do is look for the overlay shortcut key, which is going to tell you what you need to press to bring the Steam overlay up whilst you're playing a game. So in my case, you can see it's Shift and O, but you can click onto this and change it to whatever you want to. And once that's done, you are good to go. So you can just launch your game and then press your shortcut key to launch and enable the Steam overlay. So that is how to enable Steam Overlay. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.